With shea butter, made with pure shea butter and no harsh ingredients. For strong, healthy hair, restores, refreshes, and revives curls to a frizz-free, full of life state. Easy to use. Spray on dry or damp hair, section by section, and reapply to dry hair as needed for additional moisture. Worry-free. Free of sulfates, parabens, and phthalate. Never tested on animals. Bring back the oomph with Cantu Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. Made with pure shea butter, this sulfate-free formula refreshes curls with added shine. This hair styling product redefines and moisturizes hair to create perfect styles without frizz. Cantu's Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer is great for all curl types and patterns. Your hair is unique and authentically beautiful, like you. Care for it with Cantu. Our cleansing, conditioning and styling products are specially formulated with simple ingredients to help you achieve all your hair goals and feel your best. Top reviews from the United States. Curl Reviver. This product is a must for curly hair. I spritz some at the end of day 1 prior to putting my hair in a pineapple, and then covering with a silk cap for bed, and let me use. My second day hair is better than the first. So much love for Cantu. This product is a GAMECHANGER.